Do you need to return goods to FAULHABER? In this video, I will explain how to proceed and how to pack them safely. Welcome to FAULHABER Drive Time. A return might be necessary if you want us to carry out an analysis of the drive system or in case of a complaint. You can find detailed information about the procedure on our homepage. Here under the support section, there is the after sales, which is step-by-step description. First, you need to select the country of your location. Depending on this, we will show you who is taking care of your request. The first question is about the reason for your return. What are your expectations? Do you want an analysis of your drive system? Maybe it was partially overloaded or it worked under extreme conditions, and you want to know what exactly caused the failure in order to readjust in your application. This service will be charged. Or do you have a complaint? Did your drive system fail unexpectedly or shows a malfunction under recommended conditions? The small I shows you further information about the field, and the star indicates mandatory information. Please fill out the online form carefully. Indicate which parts you are sending back and give us detailed description about the deviation or defect. You could use the additional operating information. At the end, you could even upload documents, like pictures or videos. The more information you provide, the easier it will be to detect the fault and the faster your request could be proceeded. Please confirm the data protection statement, and after the security check, you could send the request to us. Our after-sales service team will check your request and answer you as fast as possible with an email with more detailed instructions like the RMA number and the RMA document. By the way, RMA stands for Return Material Authorization. We can only accept returns with this 10 digits RMA number. It is the number under which your case is proceeded here in-house and which you can refer to. Now we come to the very important part, how to pack the goods. Why is this so important? Because we want to evaluate the drive system in the condition in which it left you and not after possible transport damages. In best case, you use the original packaging. This could be such a polystyrene box with chambers for the units. Please pay attention to the size of the motor. Not every motor does fit in every box. Here we put a small motor into this box and we see it's not fitting. There is still some play. There are alternative packaging methods I will show you now. For handling, packaging and transport, it's very important to respect the ESD protection. This is valid for all brushless motors, stepper motors, drive systems with encoders, integrated electronics, controller and all electronic components. In case of doubts, simply use it. If not, you could damage the motors before they reach us. One example for ESD protected packaging is this shielded bag. It's aluminium vaporized and protects your electronically sensitive components against electrostatic discharge and electrostatic fields. You can identify them easily based on this symbol. Now it is ESD safe packed. Alternatively, you could use anti-static bubble wrap. It's best to use the ones with the small chambers. If one of the large chambers breaks, there is a risk that the motors will be exposed to shocks again. This one is an anti-static bubble wrap and can be used for ESD sensitive parts. They are often pink. But please check the product information. Not everything that is pink offers sufficient ESD protection. If you want to send back several goods, please don't pack them together. They could damage one the other. Please pack them individually. Now the second one. Now the motors are protected from impacts from outside and from each other. Other material to protect the drives from outside shocks is this foam nub composite. It's a composite from foam nub and cardboard. This is very suitable for drive systems with long parts like lead screws, as they need additional support. Also very good for small motors or for complex cabling. It is also puncture-proof, so the spindle could not perforate the package. We have packed the motors separately, ESD protected and protected against shock. Now we pack several motors together into a box. As we want to protect the motor also during rapid transport and on the flight relocation, we filled the box with crumbled paper. I put in the motors inside and an additional crumbled paper on top. Please print out the RMA document from your email. There is the RMA as a reference number and we indicate the address which you have to send the goods to. Please double-check the article description and the amount of each position you want to return. Finally, put this document into your shipping box. In case you have ESD-sensitive articles, please use special sticker to inform us or just write it on the box itself. Let's summarize. For returning drive systems to FAULHABER, you need an RMA number. For this, please fill out the RMA form on the homepage carefully with maximum information. Pack the goods ESD safe, individually, puncture-proof and protected against shock. Print out the RMA document with the RMA number and put it in the box. Thank you for watching this video. In case of questions, please do not hesitate to contact your local sales or leave a comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!